Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to sign in to your Britbox account. Whether you're using a computer, tablet, or smartphone, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the process step by step. Step 1. Open the Britbox website or app. Start by launching the Britbox app on your device, or go to the Britbox website if you're using a web browser. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Step 2. Locate the Sign In button. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your email address. On the sign-in page, you will see a prompt to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Britbox account. Ensure there are no typos, as this might prevent you from signing in. Step 4. Input your password. After entering your email address, move to the next field and input your password. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so check your capitalization before proceeding. Step 5. Click on the Sign In button. Once you've entered both your email and password, look for the Sign In button again. Click it and wait a moment for the system to authenticate your credentials. Step 6. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you will receive a confirmation code via your registered email or phone number. Enter this code into the provided field and click Verify to complete the sign-in process. Step 7. Access your account. Congratulations! You should now be signed into your Britbox account. Enjoy exploring your favorite British shows and series. Don't forget, if you encounter any issues during the sign-in process, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you're using the correct account details. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy streaming!